Welcome to another LaTeX tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at packages, macros, and how to insert graphics. We'll start by looking at packages. Packages are used to load special instructions for the compiler. With a package, you can add features that aren't included in the standard distribution, or you can modify the standard rules for dealing with fonts and document formatting. Most packages that are commonly used come pre-installed with your MikTeX distribution. If you try using a package that has not been pre-installed, a window should automatically pop up asking you if you want to install the package. To use a package, we place the Use Package command in the preamble of our LaTeX document. For our first example, I've opened up a document with a large amount of text so we can easily see how the package is going to affect our output. This is a two-page document. And notice that the margins are very large. I have a lot of white space at the top. At the bottom, we see page number 1 here, there's a lot of white space down there. And we also have very wide margins on the left and the right. We can use a package to change these settings. There are a variety of packages we could use to adjust our margins, but the first one I'm going to show you is called the full page package. So we want to go to our preamble that's above the command to begin our document. But after we've defined our document class, and I'm going to type / use package, all one word, and then in curly brackets the name of the package, which is full page. If the full page package has been pre-installed with your distribution, then when I compile, it should automatically adjust my document. And we can see here that it did in fact decrease the size of the margins on the left and the right. Still have, let me go to full page view, I still have a lot of white space on the top and the bottom. So there's a different package we could use if we wanted to have more control over the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. Instead of using the full page package, I'm going to use the geometry package. That, compile again so we can see what it's like without using the package. And then / use package, and again in curly brackets, geometry. Now we have to specify some additional information. Between the use package and the geometry in curly brackets, we're going to use square brackets. And we're going to explicitly define our margin sizes. So I can say top equals 1 inch, and for inch I'm going to type IN, comma, space, bottom equals 1 inch. And you can adjust this to whatever size you want. You can also use centimeters and cm instead of inches, IN. Left equals 1 in, and right equals 1 in. So these are standard margin sizes for most documents that you would be working on. And let's build our document. Okay, and now we have 1 inch margins on the left, right, top, and bottom. With the geometry package, the top, bottom, left, and right parameters here measure the distance from the edge of the paper. There's another way we can determine how we want our margins adjusted. We can identify the size of the margin and the size of the paper. So in my square brackets, I would type margin equals, and then if I want a 1 inch margin, 1 IN, comma, and then we're going to input the size of my paper. So I have paper width equals 8.5 IN, so 8.5 by 11 is a standard size piece of printer paper, comma, and then paper height equals 11 inches. That, and again we see it has the same effect. I'm still getting 1 inch margins, it's just measuring that space from a different reference point. So 3 different ways to accomplish the same result.